Welcome to my review and tutorial for ARCads, an AI marketing tool that lets you create realistic UGC videos, turn images into video, and create workflows. If you decide to sign up for the program, my link is in the description below, or you can scan the QR code on screen. Using my link helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. The first thing you're going to do is pick an AI actor. ARCads has over 1,000 options, different ages, looks, styles, and demographics, so there's a lot to choose from. You can filter by gender, age range, and a few other categories to find someone that fits your brand. Now, before I pick one, I want to say something important about this step, because I think it's worth addressing up front. These AI actors are shared across the entire platform, meaning other brands and creators are using the same faces. If your audience is in the marketing or creator space, there's a real chance they'll recognize an actor from someone else's ad, which can hurt your credibility. Long-term, I'd seriously consider cloning yourself or creating a custom actor that's unique to your brand. That way, nobody else can use your face or likeness and your ads feel more authentic. The other thing I want to flag here is around scripting. When you write the script for your actor, be honest about what you're creating. Try to stay away from usage claims as much as possible. Write scripts that speak to the actual benefits of your product, how it works, and what it does for the customer. Regulations around AI-generated content are moving fast, so it's better to be ahead of that now. So here's where you write your script. I want to make a point about this step because it directly affects your results and your budget. Every video generation uses credits, and credits add up fast. The more detailed and thorough your prompt is up front, the better your result is going to be on the first try. A vague prompt gives you a vague video, and that's a wasted credit. So take your time here, be specific about the tone, the pacing, and what you want the actor to convey. Once the video is ready, here's what the result looks like. And honestly, for an AI-generated video, this is pretty impressive. The actor looks realistic, the lip sync is solid, and it feels like genuine UGC content. One thing I do want to flag, if you're planning to add subtitles, don't use the built-in subtitle feature. I noticed it can generate weird characters and misspelled words on screen. Skip it entirely and add your captions separately in CapCut or whatever editing tool you use. You'll get much cleaner results. Now, this is one of my favorite features in ARCads. You can take a single static product image and turn it into a full video reel. So if you're running an e-commerce store or you just want to create content around a product without filming anything, this is a really powerful tool. The quality here is good. Not perfect, you'll occasionally get a render that doesn't quite work, but the hit rate is high enough that it's a practical tool for real ad creative. Let me give you a quick overview of the Models tab, because there are a lot of options in here. They fall into 4 categories: video generation, talking actors, image generation, and specialty models. For video generation, Seedance 2.0 is your go-to for most ads. Solid quality, good motion, won't burn through your credits. Kling is the upgrade when you want something more cinematic and polished, but it costs more credits, so save it for ads you're ready to actually run. Talking actor models, ARCads 1.0 and OmniHuman 1.5 are what we just used to create that UGC ad. That's your AI spokesperson format. Image generation models like GPT Image 2 and Grok Image are for still visuals rather than video. And then specialty models. VO 3.1 generates video with audio already built in, and Nano Banana is fast and lightweight, perfect for testing ideas without burning credits on a finished quality render. Simple rule. Seedance 2.0 for most ads. Kling when quality is the priority. Nano Banana when you're still testing. ARCads also has a solid template library, which is worth knowing about, especially if you're just getting started and you're not sure what kind of ad to make. The templates are organized by format and goal, so you can filter by things like UGC-style, product showcase, testimonial format, and so on. What I like about the templates is that they give you a proven structure to work from instead of starting from a blank script. The hook, the body, and the CTA are already mapped out. You just swap in your product details. The workflows are similar. They guide you through a specific type of ad creation, step by step, so you're not guessing about what to do next. If you're new to paid ads or you're not sure what format converts best for your product, start here before you try building from scratch. One more thing I want to show you, and this is actually one of the more underrated features in the platform. You can create multiple static image ads from a single product image. So you upload one image, and ARCads generates a set of ad variations with different layouts, copy placements, and styles. This is huge for testing. Running paid ads effectively means testing multiple creative variations against each other to see what resonates. And historically, that meant designing multiple versions, manually or hiring a designer. This does it in seconds. The quality on the static ads is clean and professional looking. These are genuinely usable for Meta and TikTok campaigns without additional editing. Let's talk about pricing, because this matters before you commit. ARCads starts at $110 a month, which is on the higher end, and there's no free trial, so you're paying before you see your first render. That's the main friction point with this platform. My advice, go in with a clear content plan before you start your subscription. Know what ads you want to create, have your scripts ready, and have your product images prepared so you're not spending your first month figuring things out on paid credits. The platform is powerful, but it rewards people who come in prepared. So that's ARCads, a genuinely impressive tool for creating AI video ads without actors, production crews, or a big budget. The UGC output is realistic. The image-to-video feature is practical. The model library gives you a lot of creative flexibility, and the template and workflow sections make it accessible even if you're new to paid ads. So make your prompts thorough, skip the built-in subtitles, and add them separately. Think seriously about creating a custom actor for your brand long-term, and always write honest scripts that speak to real product benefits rather than fake personal testimonials. My link is in the description below, and the QR code is on screen. If this video helped you out, hit like. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe for more honest AI tool content every week, and I'll see you in the next one.